Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and price match on a Walmart. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do first, you're simply gonna go ahead access your Walmart app in your mobile phone, or you can simply do that from your browser as well. Right, go ahead access the Walmart official page, and then afterwards you're gonna go ahead get logged in as well. Right, once you are logged in, here in this section you will find all kinds of options for you. In the web option you cannot find that, but once you have accessed your app there will be an option, and then that will be here in this scan icon with the caption of scan check a price. Once you have found that icon between find an item and Walmart Pay, you're gonna go ahead tap on that particular icon, then that will let you scan the code, the barcode of your product. Go ahead, scan the barcode of your product. Once you have done so, it will show you the similar kind of products availability with the different amounts that is available in the nearby stores. You're gonna go ahead check it out, but there is one thing that you have to make sure of, that in Walmart's price match policy they do not allow some of the products come from, and then categories are like competitors prices. You cannot check those, or price match items purchased from walmart.com that later decrease in price. And the other one, prices available through marketplace or offered by third-party sellers, items offered in Walmart stores. So as I've mentioned, the 4 categories, and if the product belongs to any of the categories you won't be able to do the price match for them. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.